Hello, and welcome to ContactOut. ContactOut is the world's biggest and most accurate database for contact information. We find emails and phone numbers from public pages on the internet and match them to the right people. To get started, head to any LinkedIn profile and click on the tab to access the sidebar. You can also pin the ContactOut extension to your browser toolbar to open it up. From here, you can find anyone's personal or work email and their phone number. For finding contact information in bulk, just use the ContactOut pop-up on a LinkedIn search page. Generate and send personalized emails with ContactOut's Chrome extension. Start by typing in your job description or company/product description. You only have to do this once. Whether you're a recruiter or salesperson, our AI crafts an email that's personalized to your prospect's experience. Things like, I like your LinkedIn posts on cloud architecture, or I studied at Stanford too, or we're looking for a platform engineering lead. The best part is, because you've already typed in your description, you can generate personalized emails for all your other prospects with just one click. We also have an AI email writer that works on Gmail. Just type in what you want to say and hit generate, and then the email will be written for you. If you're replying to someone, the AI writer reads the previous email and combines it with your instructions to write a reply that you can send right away. ContactOut also works with LinkedIn Recruiter and LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Save profiles to your ATS or CRM, like Lever, Greenhouse, Salesforce, HubSpot, Bullhorn, and hundreds more with just one click. To connect to your ATS or CRM, click the drop-down menu and select Connect. Here are some other things you can do with ContactOut. Search for people and companies and then extract contacts in bulk with one click with our search portal. Upload lists of LinkedIn profiles to get contacts or vice versa, or get company data by putting in their websites, all done in bulk with our enrichment tool. As well as send multi-step email campaigns to the profiles you've saved with campaigns.